And we are back. So it's been what, I don't know, 3 weeks or something. And then look, so since the bags come off, maybe 2 weeks. So quick. This was the very first section we took off, so they're all doing really well. We'll be repotting these soon. Once the leaves get big like this, it's good to go. And look at this one compared to the others, like all at the same time, and then look at that one, 3 times the size of the rest. All right, I reckon next month, we'll probably after Easter, we'll start potting those. Let's go.